Hey guys, it's Sukrit from STEMcoder, and today I'll be explaining to you two new terms, area and perimeter. So let's get started. So suppose I have a football field over here, just a standard football field, and the PE teacher tells me that I have to run 5 laps around this football field. So let's just say I want to find out how long each lap is. So if I want to run a lap around a football field, how's that? I start here, I have to go like this, and finally I end over here. So now how am I supposed to calculate this distance over here? I'm supposed to add up this length. So I'm supposed to add this length plus this length plus this plus this. You see why? Because I'm just trying to calculate the total distance around the football field. That's how long my lap is going to be. So the definition of a perimeter simply refers to the distance around a shape. So let's say I have a swimming pool over here. The perimeter of the swimming pool is simply going to be 1 lap around the shape. So what is that? It's from here, here, and finally back here. So yeah, if I run 1 lap around the swimming pool, the distance of that lap is going to be equal to the perimeter of the swimming pool. So now the concept of area, it simply refers to the space inside of a shape. So if you guys know about buying houses, you know that people will say that this house is 2,000 square feet, it's 1,500 square feet. Well, they're referring to the area of the house, which simply means the amount of land or this amount of space inside a house. So let's talk about this football field. The area of a football field is simply going to be this entire space in here. Once again, refers to the space inside a field. Let's say I have this really weird shape. Let's just say this is a lake. The area of the lake is simply going to be the space inside the lake. So what is that? It's this entire thing. So as you can see, calculating the perimeter is definitely easier than calculating the area. In the next few videos, I'll be teaching you different formulas to calculate the areas and perimeters of different shapes, but just make sure you know these definitions. The perimeter of a shape is simply the distance around the shape. So in the case of this lake, it's simply going to be taking 1 lap around this lake. And the area of a shape is simply the amount of space inside of the shape. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to do some of the practice problems on our website, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.